Welcome on my YouTube channel, on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, this is my third video with this professional old Tesla amplifier, power amplifier from 70s. Why third video? Because usually I'm recording two videos, the first one and then with the deconstruction, but this is the third video. And why third? I will explain it later within few seconds in this video, because at first I would like to thank you for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So back to this amplifier. I have recorded two videos. One, when it arrived here, I give more info about this amplifier, and then second video is deconstruction. If you would like, watch my first video, and also the second video I put here active links. But in the second video the deconstruction failed. I tried to open it. There were two screws from one side, two screws from second side, and three screws from the back side, and I must say I was very soft and sensitive to open it. This amplifier, it needs more power. So if it is not possible to open with some power gently, you have to use more power. So I decided to do it with more power, because I received info from any other owners of this type of the Tesla Studio amplifier that it's necessary to do it with more power. And yes, it's possible. It's possible. So in this video we will see what's inside, because it's possible to put the back panel. So and as I told before, there are some pieces of metal clips on the top panel, top cover, so it was not so simple. Okay. So successful. What's inside? I must say I've never opened this type of an amplifier, so let's see. Oh. I think I will take the camera and make a detailed footage here. So not so clean, but interesting. So I will make a detailed footage now.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time.
So, dear friends, how do you like this amplifier? Write me in comments. And don't forget to watch my two previous videos with this amp. So and any other info, or better to say question, because up to now I didn't identify the exact type, because the chassis, the cabinet is the same like by the legendary Tesla Studio 70. The potentiometers are rather similar like Tesla Studio 71, but No, it's not exact this type, so I cannot identify the exact type. So if you know it, please write me in comments. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.